Hello everyone, my name is Tanvi Margade. Today I am here and I feel honored to speak on the topic Swachhotsav, the festival of cleanliness. The word itself has a powerful meaning and a very meaningful one too. Swachha means clean, Utsav means celebration. Together Swachha and Utsav tells us that cleanliness is not just a duty or a habit, it's a grand celebration of life, health, and community spirits. We all celebrate many different festivals: Diwali with lights, Holi with colors, Christmas with joy, and Eid with togetherness. But Swachh Utsav is a festival which can be celebrated every single day. It requires no sweets, no gifts, or no crackers. It only needs awareness, responsibility, and action, and the reward: a cleaner environment, a healthy society, and a happier future for all of us. Friends, when we see plastic waste, overflowing dustbins, polluted rivers, and dusty streets, we all think that this is not the India that I dream of. We all dream of an India where each and every street is clean, each and every river sparkles, and every child grows in a healthy environment. To achieve that dream, we have to celebrate Swachh Utsav in our hearts. Cleanliness is not just about beauty, it's also about health. A dirty environment spreads diseases like cholera, dengue, and malaria. But clean environment protects us. It's like a shield, a silent guardian. By washing our hands, disposing of waste properly, and keeping our surroundings clean, we can save ourselves and others from illness. Cleanliness is not only about health, it's also about respect. When we clean public places like schools, parks, temples, or streets, we show respect to our community and to our nation. Just as we keep our homes neat for guests, we should keep our country neat for the world. Mahatma Gandhi once said, sanitation is much more important than independence. He believed that freedom had no meaning without cleanliness. That is why today our Prime Minister's Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is also built on this dream. And Swachh Utsav is a way of turning that dream into a reality. So let us remember, Swachh Utsav does not require many big things. Even small matters count. Like putting the wrappers in the dustbin, saying no to single-use plastic, planting trees, and spreading awareness among neighbors. Every small step matters. These are the rituals of our festivals. So let us celebrate Swachh Utsav not just today but every single day. Swachh Utsav should be celebrated in our heart, and cleanliness should be our tradition. It should be our culture, and it should be our gift for our future generations. So now I invite everyone to raise their voices with me. Cleanliness is celebration. Cleanliness is our culture. Clean India, healthy India. Clean India, strong India. Thank you.